Hi there. Are you a carpet cleaner eager to take your business to the next level and dominate the online market? If so, you are in the right place. This video is your ultimate guide to mastering SEO for carpet cleaners. Search engine optimization or SEO is a process of making your website more visible on search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing. With the correct SEO strategies, you can improve your website's ranking, attract more customers, and ultimately grow your business. So let's dive into how you can do SEO for carpet cleaners the right way. The question is, what is carpet cleaner SEO and why is it important for carpet cleaners? Carpet cleaner SEO involves optimizing online presence to enhance visibility, attract more customers, and searching for carpet cleaning services. It focuses on using relevant keywords, local SEO tactics, and optimizing website content to improve the rankings on search engine result pages. For carpet cleaners, effective SEO is crucial as it ensures they are easily found by potential clients in their service area. It helps build credibility, increases website traffic, and boosts customer inquiries and bookings. By investing in SEO, carpet cleaners can stay competitive, grow their business, and establish a strong online presence in a crowded market. Let's try to understand what exactly does a carpet cleaning business do. Carpet cleaning services are vital for maintaining carpets and include SEO strategies to improve online visibility. One of the key tactics is using relevant keywords like carpet cleaning services. These keywords, when strategically placed in your website content, help businesses rank higher on search engine result pages. They focus on local SEO and optimize digital content to enhance customer experiences, driving more traffic to the websites. By targeting specific keywords, businesses can capture more attention from potential customers and increase brand recognition. This approach positions companies as industry leaders, boosting sales and visibility over a period of time. Now let's try to understand the advantages of SEO. Understanding the advantages of SEO is crucial for any business looking to grow online. SEO enhances a website's visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic and attracting potential customers. It helps build credibility and trust with users, as high-ranking sites are often perceived as more reliable. SEO also offers cost-effective marketing, delivering long-term results without the need for constant ad spending. Additionally, it improves user experience by making websites more navigable and faster. Overall, SEO boosts brand awareness, leads to higher conversion rates, and provides a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. Here are 4 prime pillars of SEO. The first one is keywords. Keywords are specific words or phrases that summarize the main topics of a piece of content or a web page. They are used in SEO to help websites rank higher in search engine results. Next comes website performance. Website performance refers to how well a website functions and performs for its users. It includes factors like speed, responsiveness, usability, and overall user experience, crucial for attracting and retaining visitors. Third is helpful and SEO optimized content. Helpful and SEO optimized content is crafted to provide value to users while incorporating targeted keywords to improve search engine visibility and attract relevant traffic. Fourth are the backlinks from authoritative sites. Backlinks from authoritative sites are links to your website from reputable sources in your industry. They enhance your site's credibility and can improve your search engine rankings significantly. Another question is, why should carpet cleaning companies prioritize local SEO? Because of the nature of the carpet cleaning industry, most of its customers will come from nearby areas. Therefore, focusing heavily on this can lead to better results. When you look to increase the local visibility of your online business, your Google business profile is the center around which your strategy revolves. You must optimize it to get a higher ranking on Google Map results. Another question could be, how long does carpet cleaning SEO take to produce results? Carpet cleaning SEO typically takes between 4 to 6 months to start showing noticeable results. During this time, efforts focus on optimizing website content, building quality backlinks, and improving local SEO strategies. Factors such as competition levels in the local market, the quality of SEO implementation, and the website's existing authority influence the timeline. Consistency in SEO efforts and adapting strategies based on performance analytics are crucial for achieving sustained improvements in search engine rankings and increasing organic traffic over a period of time. So now the question is, how much does cleaning SEO cost? The cost of cleaning SEO can vary widely depending on factors like the scope of services, competition level, and geographical locations. On an average, monthly SEO services for cleaning business range from USD 300 to USD 1000 or even more. Initial setup costs may also apply, covering keyword research, website optimization, and content creation. For more competitive markets or extensive SEO campaigns, costs can exceed this range. It is essential for businesses to discuss specific needs with SEO providers to determine a tailored strategy and cost estimate. If you are considering Softtrix for your SEO services, in that case, we offer comprehensive SEO packages tailored for the US, UK, and Australian markets with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your clients' online success and business growth. Here is one of our client testimonials.
A very big thank you to Softtrix and Sunil for helping me with the SEO of my company. I managed to get my website to rank on Google in just a few months thanks to Softtrix. So if you're looking to hire them, they are definitely trustworthy and fantastic to work with.
And that's a wrap. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to do SEO for carpet cleaners. Remember, SEO takes time and effort, so be patient and consistent with your strategies. With the right SEO techniques, you can increase your online visibility, attract more customers, and grow your business. So start implementing these strategies. If you have any questions, feel free to ping us on our website or WhatsApp number given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Would request you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.